Yes, guys, Cash Cow. Yes, guys, Cash Cow YouTube channel ideas. Let's go, guys. I'm looking at the best Cash Cow YouTube channel ideas right now. I'm going to use Chat GPT to help me get the best channel ideas out there because these guys, Chat GPT is amazing, guys. Look at this. So I asked the question, and now I'm going to click submit. Let's see what answers I get, guys. Look at this. Look. Oh my God. So these are the best Cash Cow YouTube channel ideas right now. DIY home improvement, how-to videos, cooking and recipe tutorials, video game walkthroughs, educational science technology, beauty, fashion, makeup, gardening, landscape, pet care training, music tutorials, sports training, travel adventure. Amazing, guys. Look at this, guys. What you do is you go to ChatGPT, ask the question, and then what you need to do is look and see the answers. Now, what I like about ChatGPT is the answers sometimes vary. And it doesn't mean that it's wrong answers. What it means is there are more good answers, more good Cash Cow YouTube channel ideas to do, which is amazing because look, you might look at this list and think, don't really want to do any of these kind of ideas. However, if you delete the answer and you kind of submit again, you will get sometimes similar, but sometimes they've added a few other ones. So I'll show you an example of what I'm talking about. Like already I've seen a slight change. Now look, they had the DIY, they had education, they had food recipes. But what is also good, it shows you that these things are really, really good because they keep coming up and they keep saying it. So food recipes, food, something to do with food is also quite popular, quite good. And it is very popular because look, if I look at the food industry or the food recipes and I go to YouTube and type in food ideas, look at these, these videos are getting massive amount of views, 2.8 million views for this channel, for that video, 1.6 million, go down to 12 million for this one here. This one's 44K, 492K, 62K, 1.3 million, 5.9 million views. Guys, food is massive. People are searching for food all the time. So what is good about this is it shows us that ChatGPT knows what's popular, knows what could make you money. And, a Cash Cow YouTube channel is basically about it's going to keep making money. Every time it gets views, you might get money from YouTube advertising or whatever it is that you might do. Could be affiliates, could be selling product services, could be an online course. Remember, when you're doing a video, you can also sell many other things through the video. Remember that, guys. Could link to a landing page where you actually email them some information and then eventually sell them a course, whatever it is. But guys, the most important thing is you choose something that you enjoy doing. So look, ChatGPT tells us what works, right? Which is amazing because we need to know that. And then look at this. I told you there's a difference every time I do it. There's one called Life Hacks. They didn't have life hacks last time when I actually clicked enter. So life hacks isn't actually there. So like I said, if you want to have a Cash Cow YouTube channel idea, ask ChatGPT, right? So let me just delete this again. Let me do it one more time. So I've done it twice. Let me do it a third time and see what it says. So again, similar things, guys, similar things. DIY tutorial, gardening. I saw gardening before. But look, there are a few new ones there. Look. Home decorating, I don't think I saw. Health and wellness tips, guys. Craft tutorials, car maintenance. Guys, they know what's going to be popular. So what you have to do is look at something that you like and then see something that you could do some content on, a YouTube channel on. Guys, don't forget to check out my playlist on all other things, ChatGPT, where I go through other things. And there's some other videos on how to make money. Please check out the description where I actually give some free trial on the softwares that I actually personally like using. So check it out, guys, in the description too. But guys, back to this. Look at this. Money management advice, interior design tips. Guys, what they do is they give you some specific channels that you could do. Now, a Cash Cow, like I said, channel is really about something that gets lots of views. It's a Cash Cow, right? That's the whole point. And look, it worked because when it said cooking, I clicked on food and it's so true. Look, these videos get millions of views, guys, or lots and lots of, look at this one. Impressive food ideas and cheese recipes, 5.1 million views, guys. That's massive, and it's only 9 months ago. So what I'm trying to say is ChatGPT knows. And what you need to do is you need to choose something that you like doing. If you like cooking and you like going in the kitchen and you like making food, then do that and actually just upload it. And then you know that that cash cow, that video will get you views, guys. So choose something that you enjoy, go into an industry that you like, and then really all you need to do is start creating videos around it. And then what you got to do is get more specific now. With ChatGPT, get specific. So first question is, and this is what you do. First question is to ask what are the best cash cow YouTube channel ideas. And then you say, what are the best food videos, best food videos to do, right? Because once you choose your niche for the cash cow channel, then you got to get even more specific, because then you know what you need to make, right? So let's just delete that. Best food videos to do on YouTube. Maybe I should have on YouTube. Yeah. Let me say on YouTube, because I need to get specific, guys. Look, ChatGPT likes you being specific. So let me submit that. Look at this. Okay. So look, it's telling me what the best food videos on YouTube are, right? So if they're showing me some of the best ones, then it gives me an idea of what things I might do. How to make the best fried chicken, how to make perfect French toast, how to make homemade pizza. Amazing. Amazing, guys. How to make classic apple pie. How to make a moist chocolate cake. How to make a delicious burger. How to make a delicious Indian curry. Best food videos on YouTube to do. Best food videos to do. Let me see, to make on YouTube. So first of all, I got a good idea of what things that people like on YouTube or are looking for, which is amazing. Now let's see what the best food videos to make on YouTube. Submit. How to make delicious, easy to follow recipes. So that's what people are looking for. Step-by-step guides to making the perfect pizza. Perfectly grilled vegetables every time. How to make a delicious omelette. Guys, it's giving you ideas of what the cash cow videos are going to be. So not only does it give you the actual, the theme, if you like, or the subject that you're going to do, which is cooking, if it is this case. Obviously, if you want to do something else, then you can do anything. Do something else. And then get specific. And then ask it specifically, what kind of videos should I do for this cash cow niche? Guys, this is it. This is all you got to do. Go to ChatGPT and then start doing your research. And then what I would do personally is, so I would actually do my research even more, right? So I would take the first one, for example, the first idea, copy it, and I would go to something like TubeBuddy, or vidIQ, which is the best software which helps you rank your videos and check out the competition as well. So what I'm saying is, let's say if I just typed in that same thing that, it's saying that people, would actually look for. Let me paste that in. How to make delicious recipes. Let me just click enter. So guys, what is amazing about this is, right, like I said, I got vidIQ and I got TubeBuddy. And TubeBuddy, these two are the best for SEO software. And guys, check out the link in my description where you can get free trial. But what it will help you rank your videos. So let's say you've typed in, and it's so true. Look at this, guys. Easy, quick and easy recipes. 16 million views, 10 million views. Wow. And look at this, even better. So vidIQ, one of the softwares that I use, I'll just show you very quickly what vidIQ looks like. There's vidIQ. And I'll check out the link in my description if you want to try it out. It tells me that the volume is pretty high and it's a very, very low competition. That's amazing. That's exactly what it is that I wanted to find out. So it's so true. ChatGPT is telling the truth. It's a really good one to do videos on. Wow. And like I said, TubeBuddy probably is gonna probably say the same thing as well. When you go to TubeBuddy, which is there, and then I'm gonna check it out also. But guys, look, this is how to do it. This is how to create cash cow channels and also the best cash cow videos for your channel. Yeah, guys, like I said, check out my playlist. or check out the videos in my channel. Again, more to do with how to make money online with ChatGPT and other things. And also, please check out the free trials in my description, where I'll tell you all my best softwares that I like to use that really help me do what I need to do. And please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Don't forget to drop a comment below. I really like the comments or any questions that you do drop. I really appreciate it, guys. And I shall see you on the next one. Take care, and I'll see you soon.